Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Janction token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Janction is the first layer to provide verifiable synergic and scalable AI service. Junctions uses smart contract to automate and dynamize machine learning and artificial intelligence. Key elements like AI models, GPU computing power, data feeding, and data labeling all are integrated into Junction for co-processing. They aim to build a global distributed computing power market where Junction GPU marketplace aims to provide unlimited GPU capacity to users, lower cost by aggregating GPUs from multiple sources. Junction will, Junction will focus on the core design of the Junction cluster GPU pool and its billing system. First, let's analyze the Junction cluster GPU pool and its billing system. The cluster GPU is system for managing and allocating multiple GPU resources, supporting large-scale parallel computing applications. It needs to consider resource scheduling and management, task scheduling, parallel computing, load balancing, resource security and isolation, fault recovery and fault tolerance, cost of management and efficiency optimization, proof of work and consistency losses, among others. Junction token total supply is 50 billion and circulating supply is around 11.49 billion JCT token. JCT token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bitget, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.